words. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Black, blue, orange, violet, pink, red, pink, yellow, green, sky blue, brown and green color. Green color. A. Black color. B. C. D. E. F. Violet color. G. Yellow color. H. I. J. K. L. Pink color. M. Sky blue color. N. O. P. Q. R. Brown color. S. Red color. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.